All right, we're rolling. Going to turn the water on because we have the fill tube attached to the input of the bowl. Here goes the water. So you can see now we're filling. And you want to see how hot the water goes to see if you got to make adjustments or not. The water should go about to there, I suppose. Let's see how hot this goes here. So that's not high enough. It's going to stop and not be high enough. Oh, maybe it will. That's probably fine. You can twiddle with this thing here to raise and lower the water. This would add some height there. But basically what you want to do to add height is you want to work with the valve on the bottom. So I'm going to turn off the water here again. And you want to unloosen the slip collar. And I can't do it with one hand. So I'm going to let the top camera catch the action and turn off the lower camera.